This is a demonstration of our control circuit working with the inverted pendulum after a perturbation. So on the oscilloscope, the blue represents the control output and the green represents the position of the inverted pendulum. And as you can see, after a perturbation, the blue diverges from the green going the opposite direction, meaning that the control is trying to offset the position change in the inverted pendulum. This is the performance of the inverted pendulum when it is more underdamped. There's oscillatory motion as opposed to what our original control system gave us. This is the performance of the inverted pendulum when it is more overdamped. It is very slow in going back to its zero position, meaning the response is more overdamped than the previous other ones. Hey, 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 hey.